Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to reset progress on Teachable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Teachable. Then you just need to go and of course log into your profile or register to Teachable if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check out what we have in front of us. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home, users, site, sales, emails, and settings. Here we have the products where you can check out your courses, coaching, digital downloads, community. And in the top right corner, we have view your school option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset progress on Teachable. So to reset progress on Teachable, you can follow these steps. First of all, check your course settings. So go to the admin dashboard, go to manage users, and see that shows the student's progress you want to reset. Then clear your browser cache. You can go to your browser, Google or whichever you use, and clear browser cache and cookies. You can also contact the support, which if you of course give them a request, can help you manually do it. You can use the reset progress option if available. Some courses may have built-in reset feature that allows you to reset the course, and we of course have that as an option. So those four options, of course, if none of them are working, you can again go and contact the customer support, which will probably be able to go and help you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it informative, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.